Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see, this is our project that I'm going to show you. Okay, so stitch, okay, like a ladder stitch or ladder shell stitch. Okay, so I will going to show you how to make this, and I will continue. So I will be just showing you how to start, and then I will be continuing this so we can have like bigger piece. Okay, so for today's tutorial I will be using my 2.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so you can adjust as well if you want it a little bit bigger. And okay, and my acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start I will be making a slip knot and making our chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 25 6 7 8 9 30. Okay guys, so just to clarify, sorry about that, just to clarify, we need 30 plus 2. Okay, so and then we are going to start okay our double crochet and double crochet into each of the chain. Okay, and I'll finish this and I'll come back. Okay guys, so we have done, and from here we are going to chain 1 and turn our work in the first stitch. Okay, we are going to do a single crochet and then chain 2, and the next is we're going to double crochet. Okay, so we need to have like 4 double crochet including the chain. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4. So after that we're going to chain 2. Okay, and then we skip 2. Okay, so 1 2. The third is we're going to make our double crochet. Okay, 5 times 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so then after that we have to skip 2. Okay, and then the third we're going to double crochet the set of 4 double crochet in 4 stitches. Okay, so as you can see, then after that we have to chain 2 and we skip 2 and the third double crochet, and we are going to make our shell stitch. Okay, 5 double crochet. Okay, so that's 4 and 5. Okay, so after that we skip 2 and double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 2 3 and 4. Okay, so chain 2 after that, and skip 2, and the third double crochet the fan stitch or the shell stitch. Okay, so 5 double crochet in the same stitch to form a shell or a fan. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and then after that skip 2, and we're going to do our double crochet 4 times. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks like at the moment. Okay, so after that we're going to chain 1, and then in the first chain single crochet and chain 2, and in the fourth, okay, in the next 3 chains, okay, you have to double crochet. Okay, so we have our 4 double crochet foundation, and then from here chain 2, and what we're going to do now is jump all of these, and we are going to do our shell stitch into the last, okay, into the last stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and then after that straight to the 4 set of double crochet in the next 4 chain or stitch. Okay, so that's 3 and 4. Okay, so how it looks like at the moment. Okay, so we are going to continue that, chain 2, okay, and then we are going to do our shell stitch into the last double crochet of the shell stitch. So we're making a shell again. Okay, 5 double crochet in the same stitch, and then after that jump into the next 4 double crochet. So on top of that put double crochet, 2 3 and 4. Okay, then chain 2, and into the last double crochet of the shell stitch we're going to make our shell stitch by putting 5 double crochet on in the same stitch, 3 4 and 5. Okay, and then after that into our last 4 double crochet, 2 3 and 4. Okay, so if you don't want this bump, these guys, okay, you can just like straight chain 3, okay, but making chain 3 and then it has the gap, so I rather, you know, you can do a slip stitch, okay, but they're all kind of work the same anyway. Okay, so chain 1 and then single crochet and chain 2, and then our foundation, 3 and 4. Okay, now that we have 4. Okay, so as you can see, guys, okay, so every time we start, okay, we have to chain 2, okay, because the chain 2 will be here, so this one here will be working here, so we have to make chain 2. Okay, so chain 2, so we can make that ladder style. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then double crochet on top of the next 4 double crochet, and the 4th, and chain 2, and working into our ladder or staircase or whatever you call that. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then after that just the 4 double crochet. Okay, 4 double crochet in the next 4 chain, 4th and chain 2, and we will be making our last okay shell stitch, 5 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then jump into our 4 double crochet in the next 4 chain. Okay, so how easy is that, guys? Okay, so I'm going to show you now. Okay, so that is how it looks like at the moment. See, that is when you see here. Okay, so that's going there, and then up here, and then up there, and then like a zigzag. Okay, zigzag staircase. Okay, so you're going up here, then up, up, up. Okay, so that is how our work. Okay, so I'll continue this, and you know, or you can continue how much you want. Okay, and you can even like change color if you wanted to as well. Okay, so but that is how, you know, we make this zigzag staircase. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and I hope you like this video, and there will be more coming videos. And if you have like a request, please leave a comment below, and if you have any questions, leave there in the comments below. And thank you very much for your support, and if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and you will get notified, so you will get notified every time I will post a new video. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.